Hello everybody! Today we have washing machines at Migros. Okay, first of all we have Altus. Okay, a 9 kilogram model. This is the inside. No jets, just inside. Good pedals. We have again Altus, but this one is 10 kilogram and a different model. This one have 12,000 RPM, but this one has 1,000. Nice. Don't have a touch screen. Oh, there is actually water here, so it's used, so it's new. That means this washing machine is added newly. It's such a good washing machine. We have Samsung digital inverter, my personal favorite. The beautiful dispenser, the on off and off button. The door inside of this washing machine is very beautiful. Look at it. Just look at it. Yep. My personal favorites, Samsung. We have grounding, aka Archilic. Let's have this kind of thing. It's normal. It's have a touch screen. It's have a digital inverter. The door struggles to open. Oh my god, this is 7 kilogram. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, this is a good washing machine, not bad. We have SEG washing machine. It's a plastic washing machine. It have buttons. See the inside. Oh my dear gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Look at the inside, how small this is. How many kilogram is this? 7? This is 7 kilogram? Are you serious? Okay. We have the best brand here, Electrolux 10 kilogram inverter motor washing machine. What a beautiful dispenser. Touch screen inside. This is the inside. None of them have sprays, and this one is the most expensive one, but these ones are not that much. Samsung is a bit too expensive, and yeah. Oh, and we also have this washing machines back here. Okay, wait. Is this Electrolux? Yeah, this is Electrolux. This is Altus, the worst brand on the world. This is also Altus. Altus, SEG, and just one Electrolux. And we have refrigerator and that creepy little bird over there. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, and we also have dishwashers. I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you next time. Bye.